In today's video, I'll show you how to create AI agents with ElevenLabs so you can build systems that don't just generate voice, but also respond and interact in a more intelligent way. If you're new to AI agents, think of them as automated assistants that can take input, process it, and respond using AI-generated speech. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the Developer or API section. This is where you'll access the tools needed to connect voice generation with your application logic. Next, copy your API key and keep it secure. You'll need this to authenticate your app when sending requests to ElevenLabs. Now, open your development environment and start building the structure of your AI agent. This usually includes a way to receive user input, process it using logic or an AI model, and generate a response. Once your logic is ready, connect it to the ElevenLabs API. This allows your AI agent to convert its responses into natural-sounding speech. For example, when your agent generates a reply, it sends that text to ElevenLabs, which then returns an audio file that your system can play back to the user. You can make your AI agent more advanced by adding features like conversation memory, different voice personalities, or task-based responses. It's important to test your agent step by step. Start with simple text responses, then gradually move to more complex interactions. If something doesn't work, double-check your API setup, request format, and how your app is handling responses. Once everything is stable, your AI agent can function as a voice-powered assistant that responds naturally in real time. And that's how you create AI agents with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.